So when I think about pain in the buttock, there are muscles that are deep into the hip called the small rotators, and one of them is the piriformis. And so the piriformis muscle and the small rotators live right in through here. And so stretching those muscles can actually give you some relief, as well as strengthening the buttock, the large buttock muscles. So you can do this exercise in sitting or laying down. And sitting, you just would cross your leg, and this is called a figure of 4 stretch, which I'm sure you've probably heard about. And you're just going to tall and press your hand down and just feel that stretch in your hip. Now, I always tell people, my patients, to start their exercise on the side that doesn't hurt so they can feel what normal is. But if this is actually reproducing your pain, then we don't want that. That's not a good thing. So then we would choose to do this exercise in laying down. Now, crossing the leg over like this is another way of getting a different portion of that muscle, and sitting tall and then pulling forward like this is a great way of getting that muscle. Now, if your baby's in the way because you're in your last trimester, you may need to do this on your back or laying on your side. So this would be bringing the leg up like so and pressing down. Again, this way you can moderate it so you don't have to push down as far. You want to feel a stretch, and it can feel uncomfortable, but you do not want to reproduce your pain. So that's the figure of 4, and then crossing it over, and then you feel a nice stretch right in through here. And now you can modify how high your leg is depending on your comfort level. This will also get this quadratus muscle in the back here with doing the twist, depending on how far you take it over. And the stretches you want to hold for about 30 seconds and repeat it twice. So that would be, those would be just a couple exercises. Now, I do have a handout that is free that you can access through my YouTube channel at Deborah Riczo, and I have a half hour of nice exercises that are really helpful during pregnancy and postpartum, and I give a lot of detail in these exercises. There's a companion handout that goes along with it, and it has all kinds of really nice exercises on it. It's very detailed, and this is all free. Now, these exercises are all from my book, so you can even get the whole kit and caboodle if you get my book. And you can find my book on optp.com and on Amazon. Again, it's Back and Pelvic Girdle Pain in Pregnancy and Postpartum. Okay, I hope you got some information out of that and something new. It's all good. I'll talk to you soon.